Tutorial to configure Python and Visual Studio Code. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali with me Markenji. In this tutorial, I will show you how to configure Visual Studio Code and the Python. First, I will open my Visual Studio with command prompt. As you see, I will open my folder, especially my folder to code. Now I will make a new folder for Python, and inside the Python I will make a folder for my program or my code. Now I will make the main.py, okay, to check that our configure is correct or not. Okay, I will find. Okay, we need to install the Python. Okay, I will use from the top of the recommendation, the interpreter. Install. As you can see, there's so many kind of Python, but I will use on the top because this is the recommendation for all the programmer doing. The programmer, not the programming. No, programmers, not programming. That's something different. Okay, I think the installation needs a time. Okay, we wait. You see that the bar is still run. Okay, then I think the installation already done. Okay, we install the later. Also, we install the later. Next, I will find my Python on user, Asus, and APK data, local. I will find the program. Okay, program, the Python. Python, we go to the script. I will copy the location. Okay, now we go to the environment. New. Okay, now we must find the path. New. Copy from what the script. Now we have copy again and we delete the script and okay. Okay. Now I think the installation already done and the environment already done also. Now I will try that my configuration is already done or not by typing the print the hello world. Okay, I think this is done successfully. Okay, may I clear this? You can clear by type the CLAR, clear. I don't know how to spell it by what. Okay, I know. I think we have some problem because I copied it brutally. Now run. Okay, I will run. Okay, I think the run is correctly. Maybe that's a tutorial how the configuration Python with Visual Studio Code. May that can help you. Thank you for seeing my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys.
Bye.